Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I'm Architect Vaibhavi and I make content related to architecture and interiors. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video, we are going to be discussing about a mock test. I have prepared a mock test for you, and please make sure if you are solving this mock test properly, make sure you have a timer on, okay? And without wasting more time, let us start with the video. I'm going to solve many of the questions with you, but you have to solve all of them. So without wasting more time, let us start, and make sure you have a timer on. So let us start. So let us start with the mock test, which has part A and part B, and I'm not going to be solving all of the problems. We are going to be discussing some of them, but you have to solve all of them, and the answer key will be mentioned in the last slide, so please do not skip the video. And if you want to give the mock test seriously, please make sure you have a timer on and you don't look at the answer sheet just before you dive into the questions. Okay, so let us start. So the first type of questions we have the identification of building, monument or any material. Okay, as I have mentioned, or I have given the questions over here. Okay, so we have some of the materials and we have some of the buildings or the monuments. So to give you example, if you look at this particular building, you have to guess which building is this, or you have to identify. So have you seen Konark Sun Temple, Shiv Temple of Kanchipuram, or Udupi Temple, which looks similar to this? No, right? This temple is Kandariyar Mahadev Temple from Khajuraho. Okay, then this one, it is Kailash Temple, Ellora. Okay, and rest you have to solve. Then talking about our next pattern, we have this relation pattern. So you can see this pattern is going like that, and we have two triangles like that. And if you see this, they have curated this image from this image. Okay, when it was like this, they have inverted two of the images and they have made this particular image. Likewise, if you see over here, which image can be formed? We have two triangles, right? And then they are forming a square. Here we have two arches and semicircles. It will form a full circle with a one outline circle. And then we have the shape which is inverted and combined. It will go something like this. Okay, and if you look at the proportion of the same, A is the correct answer, right? Then, as I have taught you in my previous video, if you want to give any top view, just try to make the top view on the same surface as you have given. So this is the answer that you are getting. It is something like that, right? And it matches to the answer A. So A is the answer. Then solve this problem, count the number of vertices. So the vertices means 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so count the vertices and let me know in the comment section below. Then we have this particular image and we have to figure out which forms can be used to make this similar image. So if you look at the image carefully, you will see there are 4 forms given. 1, then 2, and then 2 boxes over here, right? And if you consider these 4 options, in A you have, here you have 4 and here you have 5, so it is cancelled. Then if you look at the forms that has been formed, these are somewhat like this, right? So, and it has a triangle, so no. Then we have this C option, which is quite similar to what we are getting over here. And if we look at the D, then you have a triangle over here and we don't have any triangle which is forming in this particular diagram. So C is the correct answer. Then if you have to look at this particular shape from this side, you have to guess the elevation of this particular side. So please try to solve this. Then coming on to the next problem, again a top view. solve this problem and let me know in the comment section. Okay, and now you have to count how many number of triangles are there, right? So we'll give numbers or we will just mention the names. So I'll just give A, B, C, D. Now write down the list of triangles that will be made and then try to guess the answer. Okay, then if we look at this surface, we have 1, then from here 2, 3, 4, right, then 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is C. Then this is the logo of which institute? Institute of Architects? No. Chicago Architecture Foundation? No. None of the above, or Council of Architecture? So Council of Architecture. Then we have these questions. Okay, so inch equals to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, then 6 mortar represents, you might not know it, but it is the ratio of 1:6, and mortar is made by cement and sand. Okay, cement and sand. So you will need 1:6 of ratio. So 1 part of cement and 6 part of sand. Okay, then how many A2 sheets can be cut from A0 sheet paper? So firstly you have to look for A0 size, okay, and try to divide it. So when you get such question, just try to remember the paper sizes till A5. Okay, I will write over here A0, A1, then comes your A2, A3, A4 and A5. Try to remember all of these paper sizes. It is not only for your NATA exam, but it will help you in 5 years of course of architecture. So make sure you are remembering the sizes of these papers. Then the city of Ahmedabad was designed by architect B.V. Doshi. We are going to be discussing about the architects and their works very soon, so please stay tuned for that. And this is a very simple mathematical question you have to solve. Okay, and do let me know the answer in the comment section below. Then when you stand between the railway tracks, consider in plan. Okay, this is your railway track. Okay, and observe the railway track from the horizon. When I am looking at the railway station, it will look somewhat like this. If I am standing here, the track would look like this. So it is in 1 point perspective. Always remember railway tracks, then your street, everything will be seen from 1 point perspective. Okay, then which of the following pencil is the softest and it is ideal for the blending? So B's are for blending. Okay, and softest means it is going to be used for the blending purpose only. So 3B. Okay, then Sun Temple is located
to answer
at
the given
Konark.
questions. Okay,
then curtain wall, again this one also we have discussed this question in the monument series, so you should be able to guess this answer. Then we have to identify the correct figure. So we have these 3 corners of the triangles which are coming out of the square, and then we have 2 overlapped circles. So if you look at the pattern A over here, it is quite similar and satisfying all the needs. So let's keep it in option. But if you see in B, the proportion of this interlocking is not okay. So B is not the answer. Again in C, you don't have this corner outside the square. So C is not the answer. And again in D, same is happening over here, right? So D is also not the answer. Sill level refers to windows. So for this you will have to refer architectural terminologies. Okay, I have a video on that as well. You can go and look for yourself. I will link over here on the screen. Please go give it a watch. Then the word sciography is associated with the following. So the physiography means, so when you have a cube or a building of this sorts or any shape basically, and when your shadow is going in particular angle, so that shadow is known as physiography. So the word physiography is associated with the shadow. Okay. Then how many circle appears in the following picture? All of them are semicircle. None of them are complete circle. But if you look at only this particular circle, this is a complete circle, right? So we only have one complete circle in this. So C is the answer. Try to solve this, it is very easy.
And yes, with that we have discussed the first mock test of the series, and do let me know if you found it helpful, and also let me know if you want the mock test on the daily basis or for the practice. So I'll make sure to post it every day, whether on community post or a video out of it. So I'll see you in my next video. You know the drill. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and bye.